Hey, today on the EDCC challenge, engineering design parkour challenge I've been modeling in this part. And you see the dimensions and the 3D model that we have here. We're going to start on this base and then we go to the head and render the good. Let's start with the base. I'm going to start from the right plane. Sketch, take our rectangle, let's use the center rectangle. In the middle origin point, the rectangle. Then you take your smart dimensions, use 0.75, 0.75 enter, and then here is 30, enter. Good, you can go ahead and extrude it. On the features, extruded board base, you need to extrude it by about 60, so you put in your 60, enter. Good. So let's make this, carry this curtain here. Come to this face, sketch, go to our rectangle, and this time we're going to pick our corner rectangle. In this corner here, you draw a rectangle. And then smart dimensions, here is 55, enter. And here is what? 12. Enter. Good. Then we got say OK. Come to our features. Should cut through all. Should cut through all. And then what? Let's go and make the head. Come back to our right plane. Sketch. Zoom out a bit. Leave it here. And then let's pick up our circle. Do a circle around here. Good. For smart dimension, here is what outer diameter is 32. Put on your 32. And then the distance from here and here, the middle, this edge to the middle of the circle is 65, and then the height and here is 68 on the base is 68. So let's make that relation. Smart dimensions from this point, distance is around 65. Enter. And then the height, let's take it from here. Here is 88. Enter. Good. And then and it's fully defined. Let's go ahead and extrude it too. Extrude board base. Zoom out a bit. It's very important that you see that this has the thickness goes in both directions in relation to this neck. So on this neck, it starts from here, from the edge. So I want to take this at the same edge and now circle so this alignment with this edge. So on this side, it's going to be 5, and then on this side, it's going to be what? 35, since the whole thickness is 40. So I'm going to keep on now blind. Then you come down here, put in direction 2. So on the blind now, we're going to put what? 35 on this side, 35. Top. This side 35, and then on the second direction, we're going to put 5. That's on the opposite side. Okay. And there we have it. Then now I'm go ahead to make the neck before we make the cut. We can actually just make the cut now. Let's just make the cut here. Let's just make the cut. So rather, let's make the neck. Let's make the neck first. Make the neck. Let's come back to our right plane. Sketch. Zoom out a bit. Let's take on our line. Now before we do that, let's convert this entity. Let's convert this document into our new sketch using a convert entity. You're going to see what we'll do. So you click on this, come to converting sentence. Now that means that now you have a circle. You can use circle again, use that same circle you used to make this cylindrical shape thing here. So good, that's converting this. And then come pick our line. And your line from here to here, out here, enter. Then our line again, like this. So here, here, and then here, enter. And then just define this smart dimensions. So from this here to here, check it. Now look at corner 7 here. Here is 58. And then from here the distance is 5. So here the distance is 5. So close. Right, 5, enter. And then yes, okay. And then the first name, okay. Let's make a relation between this line and this circle. Press your shift and then make it a tangential. Then you see our space is fully defined. So what's left now is let's make a line to close this. We'll close this and then we'll pin this up. We don't need this circle anymore. We've gotten this arc. That's what we need. Come to trim entities. Then click on that. And then you have this left. And now you come to your features, extruded boss base. Then to extrude it down 15 thickness. 15. Enter. Good. You can go ahead now. Give it a color. Use a color, blue color, and then come here. Let's make this cavity here. Sketch, and then circle in the middle of the circle. And something good. Let's make a circle and then we function my dimension. And now make it 22 meters. That's the inner circle. Then we got extruded cuts. Good. Next is this cavity here. So you select this face, get our circles. One circle, two circles. Good. Let's make the relation between this and this control. Then make them one equal for the same radius and this one and this one. Let's also make them vertical. Then we come because more dimensions. So this circle is what 17. Enter. Then from the middle of this circle's distance between them is 25. We have 25. Then from this edge, which here is 12. So here is 12. Enter. And then from this edge to the middle of the circle is 25. So from here, this edge 25. Enter. So you can go ahead and now make the cuts. It says extruded cuts. Is true over here. Oops, so we have our cuts. Our cuts. And that basically we have this paper. Okay. Thank you very much. See you next time.